Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just got a notification from the swling.com website about a new article. And this article is about everyone should have a shortwave radio. And it talks about what's going on over in Ukraine, where they've knocked out the TV tower, their main TV tower. And the thing is, and what it's pointing out is that in times of what's going on over there, bad weather, tornadoes, hurricanes, you need to have another method of communications to find out what's going on than just TV and the internet. You need something that's standalone and that can go a long distance, and that's shortwave radio. Also, in the United States, a radio that can receive NOAA is another good thing to have. And I've showed you a lot of radios like that can help you out, both shortwave and NOAA weather. And you can read this article yourself, and it tells you why it's a good thing to have a shortwave radio. I've been listening to shortwave for the past couple of weeks, ever since this little mess has been going on over there, trying to get some inside information, so to speak, not just what I'm seeing on TV. And here I'm just going to show you quickly some suggestions. Here's my Tom's Radio Room Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is below each of the videos in the description. The link is there. And you go to my Amazon store, and I have radios that I've reviewed, both NOAA radios and shortwave radios. Now, one thing you might be a little concerned about, or what's going on here, I have started doing videos for Amazon, directly for Amazon. And I'm doing just everyday products that I use. So you're going to see those up here now, and most of them are not related to radios. But down here is where I have all the products that I have reviewed. I've reviewed probably 90% of these products on my shows, and a lot of them have shortwave bands and or NOAA weather bands. Like this one has a NOAA weather band. This is a shortwave. This is a Texan. Kind of point out some of the ones I like better. Here is another Texan radio. I believe that's the 990. I do not have a 990, but it's gotten good reviews. Let me see what else we have here. I think that's also a NOAA radio. Yeah, that's a NOAA radio. There's my favorite radio, although the price has now gotten prohibitive. This is the Grundig Satellite 750. There's another one of my favorite radios. There's a PL660. I don't know if I should have a 680 on here, which I like also. There's the older, now it's older, the Sangean ATS 909X. Oh no, this is a newer one. I haven't reviewed this one. I'm trying to save up my money from the commissions I get on my YouTube channel and my Amazon store to get one of these. It's about $280. So it's going to take me a while to save up enough. There's also some good books I recommend. This is a shortwave listing guide here, very good guide. So you can see I got lots of stuff here. I think that's the V115. Yes, that's the Redicus V115 AM/FM shortwave. This is a very good radio for the price. It runs around $20, and it does a pretty good job. You do need to add a clip-on external antenna for shortwave to get any distance stations. Trying to just see what else I have here. What is that? That is the PL880, another good radio from Texan, been out quite a while. And these are basically in order in which I reviewed them. And so you can go to my YouTube channel, look up, do a search on the particular radio. Like, let me go back to one here. Here's the older Sangean radio. I did review that one. That one's $224. The new one is about $280. That's about it. Again, go to SWL, let me get up at the top, swling.com, all lowercase, and if you go to the home page, that's where you'll get if you just put in SWLING. This is the most recent article, and then there's hundreds and hundreds of articles beyond this. This is an interesting find that somebody found, this Sony radio, very rare radio. This is the ICF-6000W. I didn't even know about that radio. So here's all the old postings. Look at them. It goes way back to, how far does this go back? Oh my gosh, 2010 to 2008 is when this website started. And the articles are usually very good. At the least, they're good. So check it out. You need to kind of be ready for catastrophes like this, what's going on in Ukraine. And this year in the United States, we've had some really bad weather. Tornadoes, oh my gosh, snowstorms, excessive rain, floods. I mean, you really need to get a shortwave radio and one that would have the NOAA weather. The other thing is to get something that you can do one-on-one communications, some kind of handheld radio. I've reviewed several of them. Rectivus makes a bunch of them. Many of them do not require a license. And, you know, get like a set, give one to your family member or friend or something. So if everything goes to pot, you have some way of contacting people. That's the least you need to do, is be prepared to contact people or listen to what's going on, like what's going on here. Okay, that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.